Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change a SmartArt style to intense effect. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the SmartArt drop-down menu and choose any SmartArt. Now I am select this SmartArt and click OK. Now we can see we insert a SmartArt. You can change the color. Go to the SmartArt design menu, select color drop down menu. You can change the color. Now you want to change the style insets. You can select this insert effect, intense effect. You can add text. Now I am write my text. You can add another text to this box. Now we can see we change the SmartArt style to intense effect in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.